In the world we inhabit, there are still dark corners that the light of modern science has yet to reach. From dense, ancient forests and bottomless caverns to the vast expanse of our skies, the inexplicable is slowly emerging from the shadows. Are these images and records clues to a staggering truth, or merely phenomena that can be explained by ordinary logic? Join us as we pull back the veil of mystery behind these eerie events, stretching from India to Venezuela. On January 7, 2023, in the remote wilderness near Urumqi, a group of hunters using thermal drones accidentally captured footage of a bizarre entity weaving through the canopy. Most astonishingly, this creature was completely invisible to the naked eye, appearing only through heat signatures. With its unnaturally long limbs and massive antlers, its silhouette bears a terrifying resemblance to the legendary Wendigo or the Yeti of ancient folklore. In 2025, in Gujarat, India, villagers claimed to have subdued a legendary beast boasting rippling muscles and razor-sharp fangs. It appeared to be a lethal hybrid of a black panther and a timber wolf. Its gargantuan size led many to invoke Fenrir from Norse mythology. Does the wilderness still harbor predators that defy human imagination? Leaked footage has surfaced showing hunters capturing a hairy, humanoid cryptid. This entity possessed primal strength, violently thrashing against the thick iron bars of its cage in a desperate bid for freedom. Shortly after, it was handed over to the authorities and vanished entirely from public record, leaving behind a trail of speculation regarding its ultimate fate. Deep within Venezuela's El Alfredo cave, archaeologists discovered ancient murals accurately depicting unidentified flying objects, UFOs, and extraterrestrial beings. An ancient codex detailing advanced mechanical technology was found alongside a massive stone head that emits an eerie green glow. Is this evidence of a lost civilization, or the fingerprints of alien visitors? From a mysterious black triangular craft in Puerto Rico to a blinding streak of light plunging into Caracas in 2025, the deafening silence from government agencies has only thickened the shroud of secrecy. Even in the small caverns of Aroa village, locals whisper of grain thieves, deformed creatures with coarse skin and a single, unblinking eye, lurking deep beneath the earth. Farmers describe them as pale, hunched entities that move with an unnatural, fluid speed, emitting a low-frequency hum that vibrates through the very floor of their granaries. But perhaps the most staggering discovery of all is the 50-foot-long skeleton unearthed at Canaima National Park. These gargantuan remains seem to validate the ancient legends of the Titans who once ruled this land in prehistory. Witnesses claim that shortly after the discovery, unmarked black helicopters arrived to secure the site, sparking rumors of a massive cover-up by the elite to hide our true origin. From the deep woods to the high skies, from caverns to deserts, these anomalies relentlessly challenge our perception of the world. Whether they are unclassified species, puzzles left by our ancestors, or mere optical illusions, they offer a window into the unknown. The truth may still be shrouded in mist, but it is our relentless hunger for answers that drives us forward to explore the impossible. What do you believe is hiding in the shadows? Drop a comment below and let us know your theories.